Unlock your strength, the senior's guide to reversing muscle loss. Are you feeling weaker than you used to? Do everyday tasks seem more challenging? Age-related muscle loss or sarcopenia is a common concern, but it doesn't have to define your golden years. Discover how simple dietary changes can help you regain strength and vitality. Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength, is a significant health issue affecting many seniors. What makes it particularly concerning is its silent progression. Muscle loss often occurs gradually, without noticeable symptoms, until it significantly impacts daily life. Individuals can lose up to 33% of their muscle mass after the age of 60. This loss isn't just about aesthetics, it has profound implications for overall health and well-being. Sarcopenia is a major contributing factor to falls, fractures, and even nursing home admissions, accounting for a staggering 87% of such cases. The impact of sarcopenia extends beyond physical health. It places significant financial and emotional burdens on individuals and their families. The good news is that you can take control and fight back against muscle loss. Dietary intervention is a powerful and often overlooked tool in combating age-related muscle loss. It's not just about eating more, it's about eating smarter, choosing foods that actively support muscle health and regeneration. Research from prestigious institutions like Harvard Medical School has identified specific foods that can effectively reverse muscle wasting. These aren't just empty promises, they're backed by scientific evidence and real-world results. In fact, one particular food showed astonishing results, even surpassing the effectiveness of some prescription medications in clinical trials. This is a game-changer for seniors looking to regain their strength and independence. The most effective food reversed muscle loss in an incredible 91% of study participants within just 6 weeks. Imagine the possibilities: regaining your strength, improving your balance, and enjoying a more active and fulfilling life. Let's dive into the top 10 foods that can help you preserve and rebuild muscle mass, empowering you to take control of your health and vitality. These foods are readily available, delicious, and packed with the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Whey protein stands out as the most effective nutritional option for combating sarcopenia. It's a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't produce on its own. Whey protein boasts the highest natural concentration of leucine, a key amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. This process is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Whey protein is rapidly digested and absorbed, leading to a quick rise in amino acid levels in the bloodstream. This rapid delivery is crucial for stimulating muscle growth and recovery, especially after exercise. Beyond its amino acid profile, whey protein contains bioactive peptides that offer additional health benefits. These peptides can improve blood flow, enhance insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation, all of which contribute to overall muscle health. Whey protein also contains cytosine, which aids in the synthesis of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage. Consider adding whey protein to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a muscle-boosting start to your day. Lean beef is a high-quality protein source, providing approximately 25 grams of protein per 4-ounce serving. Its amino acid profile is particularly strong, making it an excellent choice for supporting muscle growth and repair. Like whey protein, lean beef is rich in leucine, the amino acid that activates muscle protein synthesis. This makes it a valuable addition to any muscle-building diet. Lean beef also provides creatine, a naturally occurring compound that enhances muscle energy reserves and promotes muscle volumization. This can lead to increased strength and power. Lean beef is a bioavailable source of essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which play vital roles in muscle function and overall health. Choose lean cuts like sirloin or round to minimize fat intake. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins and polyphenols. These compounds protect muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals. Berries help manage inflammation by influencing signaling molecules called cytokines. Chronic inflammation can hinder muscle growth and repair, so reducing inflammation is crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Berries are also a good source of vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining the integrity of connective tissues, which support and protect your muscles. Enjoy berries as a snack, in smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Extra virgin olive oil is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, thanks to its high concentration of oleocanthal. Oleocanthal reduces chronic low-grade inflammation, which can interfere with muscle growth and repair. Extra virgin olive oil enhances insulin sensitivity, improving your muscles' ability to utilize protein for growth and repair. This is particularly important for seniors, as insulin sensitivity tends to decline with age. Extra virgin olive oil supports hormone production, which is vital for maintaining muscle health. Healthy hormone levels are essential for muscle growth, strength, and overall well-being. Use olive oil as a salad dressing, for sautéing vegetables, or as a finishing drizzle over your meals. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow to muscles. Enhanced blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to muscle tissue, promoting growth and recovery. These vegetables are also excellent sources of essential electrolytes like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are crucial for muscle contraction and relaxation. Maintaining proper electrolyte balance is essential for preventing muscle cramps and fatigue. Leafy greens are also rich in vitamin K, which contributes to protein metabolism and muscle function. Aim to include a variety of leafy greens in your diet, whether in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, provide a moderate amount of protein, approximately 15 grams per cup cooked. They are also excellent sources of fiber, which promotes digestive health. Beans and legumes contain slow-digesting protein and resistant starch, which nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health and can indirectly support muscle health. These foods are also rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron, all of which are essential for muscle function. Incorporate beans and legumes into your soups, stews, salads, or as a side dish. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds provide plant protein, healthy fats, and essential micronutrients. They are a convenient and nutritious snack option. Nuts and seeds are rich in magnesium, which is essential for muscle contraction and energy production. Magnesium deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and fatigue. Walnuts are a good source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acid. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which is vital for testosterone production, a hormone that plays a crucial role in muscle growth and maintenance. Enjoy a handful of nuts or seeds as a snack or add them to your salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Eggs are a high-quality protein source, providing approximately 6 grams of protein per large egg, with nearly half of that protein found in the yolk. Don't shy away from the yolk, it's packed with essential nutrients. Eggs are rich in choline and vitamin D, both of which are essential nutrients for muscle health. Choline supports nerve function, while vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle strength and function. Eggs also contain leucine, the amino acid that stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Enjoy eggs in a variety of ways, such as scrambled, fried, poached, or as part of an omelette or frittata. Oily fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These fatty acids reduce inflammation, which can hinder muscle growth and repair. Oily fish are also a high-quality protein source, providing approximately 20 grams of protein per 4-ounce serving of salmon. This makes them an excellent choice for supporting muscle health. For vegetarians, obtaining sufficient omega-3 fatty acids can be achieved through various plant-based sources rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Notable vegetarian sources include chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seed. Greek yogurt is high in protein, providing approximately 15 to 20 grams per 6-ounce serving. It's a versatile and convenient snack option. Greek yogurt contains slow-digesting casein protein, which provides a sustained release of amino acids. This helps to keep your muscles fueled for longer periods, preventing muscle breakdown. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium, vitamin D, phosphorus, and probiotics, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add your own fruit or nuts for flavor. Prioritize whole foods over supplements whenever possible. Whole foods provide a synergistic blend of nutrients that work together to support muscle health more effectively than isolated supplements. Consistency is key when it comes to dietary interventions for muscle health. Regularly incorporating these foods into your diet is crucial for seeing results. Aim for dietary variety to ensure you're getting a comprehensive range of nutrients. A varied diet is more likely to meet your individual needs and support overall health. Remember that individual dietary needs may vary based on underlying health conditions or medications. consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized recommendations. Maintaining muscle mass is about more than just aesthetics. It's vital for independence, mobility, and overall quality of life. Prioritizing muscle health can help you stay active and engaged in the activities you love. Combine dietary strategies with regular physical activity, particularly resistance training, for synergistic effects. Exercise stimulates muscle growth, while proper nutrition provides the building blocks your muscles need to thrive. Age-related muscle loss is preventable and potentially reversible with the right strategies. You have the power to take control of your health and reclaim your strength and vitality. By adopting a proactive approach and incorporating these top 10 foods into your diet, you can combat sarcopenia and improve your muscle health. Remember, nutrition plays a significant role in maintaining muscle mass throughout the aging process. Don't let age define your physical capabilities. Start making small, sustainable changes to your diet today and experience the transformative power of nutrition. Ready to take the next step towards a stronger, healthier you? Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about creating a personalized plan to combat muscle loss. Don't forget to hit the like button, and we will see you in the next video.